Hi guys, hi Sumit. So in this tutorial I'll be learning how to attach our eyelet to the underbust corset. So the first thing we're going to do is to mark the placement of each eyelet. So I have marked it down here with an interval of 1 inch. Can you see? So I have marked it down. The next thing we're going to do is to puncture this because we can't just use the plier. We have to puncture it. So I have my screwdriver here. You can also use a nail, like a small nail. So I have the small screwdriver and the big one here. So this is the position of our eyelet. So I'm trying to puncture this right here. So I've been able to puncture it right here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the bigger screwdriver to widen the hole. So another way you can get something handy for this eyelet is that you can take your screwdriver to a welder for them to smoothen this part to make it sharp. So I have done that, as you can see. So I'm just going to take my scissors to trim off the thread from the clothes. So I'm going to insert the screwdriver from this side too. Can you see? Trim off all the threads. Next thing I'm going to do is to take our eyelets and then insert it here. Make sure I take out all the fabric that might want to stand in its way. Try and do this again. So it's looking a little bit difficult because it's a multiple layered outfit, that's why. But as you can see, make sure that the rims of the eyelet is out, like it's completely out, before you use your plier. Just like this, and then going to take my plier, turn it down to this side, to the side with the longer rim. As you can see, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press this down with a force, and here it is. Can you see? So this is how to insert your eyelet using your eyelet. Do the remaining parts of this underbust corset using the same method, going in with my screwdriver first, and then guys, I am done. Can you see? This is it. So this is our underbust corset. It is all done. So guys, I'll be expecting your practicals, and I would love to see lovely designs, and I hope this tutorial was worthwhile. Thank you very much. I remain Winifred.